The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning. Welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's had a great evening, great night, and welcome to your morning. We are getting a signal. Here right as we come on. Maybe a move down after this nice move up, 156 up to 208. So 50 points in the last half hour or so. How you doing today, Matt? Forgot to bring the stream up on my phone. Let me do that real quick. There we go. Okay. Good morning, Eric. How you doing? Pulling back here a little bit, but maybe, let's look at the rest of the markets and then we'll decide what we want to do there. NQ, we'll start with NQ. NQ's had an interesting evening. Started by coming down massively in the first couple hours. Like 150 points. I don't know, 160. Anyway, hit a low of 12,123. I don't think it retailed. Oh no, 12,113 is the low during Europe, right before Europe opened. And of course, the high was the opening candle, 293. So about 180 points of volume. No, yeah, volume. Range. Just trying to pop back up now. Copper, slow grind down most of the night. About 120 ticks. Gold. About 11 points. Mostly downish. Downish, that's another good trading term. And then I didn't move these lines on the UltraBond. UltraBondo. Looks like we have a little less than a point in range on the UltraBond. There's natural gas. You can see I was running behind this morning. Didn't move my lines. Lines. It's about 200 ticks of range on natural gas. Crude oil now, last but not least, still down in the 87s. And about 2 points of range. Yep. So I missed the pop back up there. I've been actually a perfect pop. Perfect pullback into a pop. And that quickly, that's how quickly it happens. Would have been good quick 10 points. I haven't updated it yet, but yeah, look at that. Wow, that would be beautiful. Strong candle up there, rising up. Haven't updated it, but I am up $298.90 from last night. Globex. Asia. Get that updated. Yesterday, I went down by over $1,100 and then came all the way back. I finished the day down $8.80. So, maybe things are turning around. From what was this absolutely horrible week. Good morning, Mr. G. Could not stream last night on Sharevision. Could not log in. Nice job, G. Let's go quickly check to see whether or not they fixed that yet. They might be totally down. No, they're there. No. Not enough memory to open that page. What do you mean? Thank you. Yep, they finally fixed it. So Sharevision did fix it. Too late now, obviously. And I won't be streaming tonight because I'll be napping for tomorrow. Good morning, Borneo. How are you doing today? Yep, happy September to you as well, G. So, missed that move on NQ, unfortunately. I even was thinking I was going to do that, but there'll be more today. There will be more. Unless something weird happens, like the entire Earth's internet goes out or something. Bitcoin hanging back above 20,000 just barely. So gold just recently came down nicely. Very nice move down. Crude oil also making almost that same move that NQ just made. And natty gas or copper, let's see here. UltraBond moving down. Looks like everything's got some good volume this morning. So this natural gas is looking kind of iffy. So now it kind of is flat. Thank you, G, for that news. Yep. And unemployment this morning as well, right? U.S. initial jobless claims at 8:30. And of course, tomorrow's the big one, non-farm payroll. Speaking of tomorrow, we'll run this real quick. MightyOxTrading invites you to join me in celebration of our 1-year streaming anniversary, Friday, September 2nd, with our special 9-hour extended live stream. Join me starting at 2 a.m. Eastern Time in preparation for the London session open. We will actively chat and trade through the night and into the morning. Non-farm payrolls will rock the markets at 8:30 a.m. and we will trade it and the aftermath of it. Then roll into the U.S. cash open at 9:30 a.m. Finally, I ask all of you, if you can, join me at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, as I have a very important message I'd like to take the time to share with all of you. So come join me for some or all of this as we celebrate 1 year of streaming and trade the night and morning away. Okay, back to this morning where I got up. This would have been a nightmare to try and trade my system. I would have to pick one direction or the other and just let it play out, or just totally stay out. You can see this would have been chop, 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 another NQ drops. Drop, we're coming back down a little bit after that nice little quick rise up. Rise up. Be counted. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. So now we wait. Trying to make sure I take my setups this morning. And we watch. Let's see. There's my naked chart. Wow. Yawn. So, ooh, another big burst up there on NQ. So pulled down just a tad, then burst back up by 10. I got the Mountain Dew in the fridge for tonight. Tomorrow morning, I should say. Ready for that 9-hour stream. 1 year stream anniversary. Or stream anniversary, as some call it. Continuing to move up here. What's our high today? Oh yeah, way up here. Way up in the sky. 12,293. But we are actually getting a signal candle on the 1 hour chart. Got one actually about an hour ago on the 30-minute, which has been good. But that beautiful signal candle there on the 15-minute, it's gone up almost 80 points since there. Daily chart. Lines everywhere, there's lines. Another pullback after another move up. So up, sideways, up, down. Up, down, up, down. How's everyone doing this morning? Ugh. Thank you. So, got some eggs in front of me. Gonna eat some breakfast while we wait for our next move. And I will mute again so you don't have to listen to me chew. Chewing while trading. My next channel. Good morning, DN. How are you doing? Quite the strong move up overall. Had one little pullback, but basically this move started here. And it's come up about 75 or 80 points. Thank you, Dan. A lot of people thought we were going to crash through 12,000 last night when it was coming down so quickly. But nope. It bounced big time. And continues to rise up. Breaking RSIs. It's staying outside that RSI. So that chart tells me there's going to be a reversal here soon. We'll see. A little bit of a pullback. That was a 9-point candle. Seeing some decent sized candles. UltraBond popping up a bit there. Kind of watching and waiting here. I'm sad I missed that move. Came up about 40 points since 30. Here's that pullback I mentioned. So a hit high of 237 has come down about 20 points. Back inside those Bollingers on the RSI on the 15-minute. You'll get that back, Matt. Ooh, here trying to send us a short. What parameters here? No profit target. 12.10 for now. Maybe bouncy here. Good luck, Matt. My trade of 8 window ready here. We're getting a trigger. Barge trying to send a trigger. It is literally like ticking up and down, trigger, not trigger, trigger, not trigger. I hate that. I like a nice, clean move. No trigger there. Now it's technically a trigger again on this candle. And there's the burst, little burst down, not much of one, but back to green. And that's why we wait. Eggs are done. Sure, you're all happy to know that. Taking some supplements, and then we will rock and roll. See what this candle does. Trigger candle. Uptrending bands, though, that are just 7 points away bother me. I'm going to take the short. We'll just play it quickly by ear, though. What's my stop? There we go. Okay. I'm going to move a very tight stop on this. See, it's trying to bend the band. So I'm running the tight stop. I want to see if it can bend this band or if it's going to bounce off of it. Gonna get out. About $60 there, I believe. See, maybe we'll get back in if it shows me it's gonna bend that candle. I mean, bend that band. Sorry. It's up to 360 now. Nice, Matt. Great job. And it did bounce, so I got out pretty much at the right time there. Now we'll see what this does. What this could do is do this little bouncy thingy, back up, and then reject back down. We'll see. Oh, that's right. It is your birthday, isn't it? You did mention happy birthday, Matt. Good morning, Dakota. Welcome. This might keep missing when you come in. I'm not sure why. See how this has come up, come down. Now it's starting to show red again. Might take another short here. Watching for confirmation, though. You see green there. We don't want green. Well, I mean, green's fine if it gives me straight up, breaks the whatever. Now, see, this trigger candle did work only because I recognized where we were at. Theoretically, so far, that trigger candle has not worked because it hasn't gone at least 10 points for me there. And I recognize that I shouldn't have taken. I took that trade just how I should have, knowing that I might not get the full 10 because we had these uptrending bands. Like I said, waiting to see if they can bend. So it was a decent trade. I moved my stop very tight on that, knowing that I need to get out if it decided it did not want to go anywhere. Now we are getting a trigger candle back up. I don't like where it's at though. We have this downtrending moving average on the RSI. It's a strong candle though, so I mean it's kind of going with the overall trend. So this is one of those situations that I'm not sure about. It is a nice candle, 8.5. Very nice candle. It's kind you would be very happy to get your mother for a gift. I'll wait for confirmation of green on the next candle. Yeah, RSI is bouncing off that moving average. I basically want to see that purple line above the yellow line. I love it when that does that. Flashes like that. I have my finger on a buy button in case it does get up and break it, but I'm thinking it might be coming right back down here, so my finger is going to relax off the buy and go back to the sell. We'll let it play out. We are less than 2 minutes from the top of the hour. Matter of fact, we're just about a couple seconds over 1 minute from the top of the hour. So that's something also to watch. Yep, there's a nice move down. 7 points. 8 points, 9 points. So I hate waiting for the candle to close. It's like a candle in the wind. So this got down to 206. We're sitting at 207 right now. Let's see if it gets back through there. It's a trigger though, so the top of the hour. Let's see if this turns back to red. Okay, taking it. Why no stop loss? Something happened there. Oh boy. Oh, now the stop loss shows up. That was weird. It's gonna stop me out. I should have been careful because of the top of the hour. Let's see if it comes down. It's tight stop again. No, not that tight. Yep. There it goes. Okay, out. So gave back pretty big there. 236 now in the day, so gave back about 120. Should have waited for confirmation because of the top of the hour. Not a big deal. Strong candle back up. Although it's just starting to bother me now, this sign waving. Up, down, up. Oh, still gotta. That's gonna be interesting. I got it at 207. It got up. Okay, it did get up to 220. So that was definitely enough to stop me out. See, it's coming right back down. There's selling pressure coming in. But hanging right on that EMA, so staying at the chop, nah. There's some Pennsylvania Dutch accent for you. Out in the light, nah. Warning, apparently there's some issue with if anyone's trading UV on NinjaTrader. I don't know. I've been seeing issues being reported on the Discord and Noticing myself that UV is not updating on the charts. It seems to be just treasuries for some reason, or maybe it's CBOT. Let me check. Do I have a YM chart up here? There's YM. No, YM's working too. Seems to be just treasuries. No, never mind. It's working for me. I don't know what they're talking about. You know, this is dangling around here. So let me go over to a UB chart on a 1 minute and see if it's matching up my Ninja. The Ninja. It's a 5 minute. Let me look. Yeah. Match is fine for me. Never mind. So I don't know. There's a couple people talking about it though. Now here we have another move down, but is this a real move or this? You see here, this looks like we're moving down here. It looks like we're squeezy. Easy measy, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yeah, we're gotta wait for this chop to end. Chop chop makes more traders drop. Nothing going on anywhere right now. Gold's sideways. Crude made a little move. Copper coming down a little bit. Give me a second. I'm going to really quickly take a screenshot here. And Q, trying to move up. It's very squeezy. Bands are only 7 points apart right now. It's very, very tight. That is a trigger candle there, and we might be trying to break out the squeeze. Break it out something proper like. Give me 1 second here. Still trying to help the people in the Discord. Because I'm nice like that. I don't have volume in here? What the heck? Okay, real quickly. We'll do a daily chart. U is at how much? 29.183. Let's go back to September. December contract. September, whatever. Whatever I'm trying to say. Volume. Yeah. Okay. Back to UB already in progress. And back to a 5-minute. And Q's trying to come down now. Is it trying to break from this range? Need to get below 208. We're at 209. Seems like a quieter morning so far. And it just logged me out. Nice. Now we gotta go through this little dance. Of course, this paper trading. Log out of paper trading. Log into Tradeovate. There we go. Make sure it didn't log me out of Tradeovate over here. It did not. Okay. How we all doing, guys? You're all quiet this morning, too. Hey, white boy Rick. Logged me out here as well. There we go. Ah, UV is coming down. Its open is in about 6.5 minutes. I don't know. See, it's trying to break the range, but looking to the downside, but I just don't know if I trust it. And it's sad when you can't trust the NASDAQ. Honestly, you should never trust the NASDAQ. But there it went. So, I mean, this ended up being a nice trigger candle. It did separate itself from these others. So, 09 down to 03. Well, I shouldn't say it was a nice trigger candle yet. Beautiful move down there on the UltraBond. 12 ticks on this 5-minute candle. So maybe it wasn't such a good trigger any after all. It's only going 7 points. Pulling back here. We'll see if it continues to come down. We're about 15 minutes from news. Kind of hanging here. This is a boring morning so far. I mean, I missed a good move earlier. I missed this move here very shortly after starting the stream. I always miss the moves that happen right after I start the stream. And now we're just kind of rangy, very rangy. And it's a very tight range in this last, like, what, 30 minutes. But slightly grinding down now. Yep, so that would have been good. Yep, there, just broke 200. We can mark that as a good trigger candle. Honestly, we were so tight there that we could have marked any of the downward moves as a good trigger candle because of what it did. But, you know, and it was kind of grindy downy. UltraBond continuing to fall and tear to the open. NQ. So there, yep, nice grind down. I just couldn't, I don't know. You can see here on the RSI, it did break the moving average there, basically on this candle, that on the what I'm calling the trigger candle. You can see that. So maybe that would have been my cue there because it was above for all of this mess. So maybe that could have been a cue. It's just so hard to trust it when it's in a range and you don't know when it's going to break out. But it ended up coming down like 15 points off that trigger. You'd be breaking down here. Treasuries market just opened. You can see big move down here. This move actually started all the way back here when I was still happily sleeping. You can see it rolled over, came up, and technically this ended up being a trigger candle because you see a little bit of the white. Don't shoot till you see the whites of the EMA. And then we ended up, this was a beautiful move down. But this is going to bounce. This is going to bounce. Well below the Bollinger on the RSI. Let me check. We might play this bounce. Like everything's yelling bounce. I've never seen anything yell bounce this much since. Do I have a UB chart up on my Tradeovate? I do not think I do. Because I'm not usually insane enough to trade it, but let's do it. UB. UB or not to be? That is the question. It's already bouncing some here. Bouncing off the walls. 1 minute chart. See, that's a bounce up. There we go. Watching it. UB traders, what are you thinking? Okay. Waiting here. I'm not going to jump in. Obviously, this is the big move down right at the open. Now it's kind of flagging. Oh yeah, good point. Unemployment or blank claims or whatever. Let's see what NQ's doing. We'll keep going back and forth. NQ's trying to pop back up now. So it didn't, I mean, move down 15 points. There's a trigger on NQ, so we'll go back to that for now. We do have news in a few minutes, so if I get in here, the idea is that it'll be quick. Quick and dirty. Nope, no trigger on that one. We'll go back to UV. UV still a slight grind down there. So yep, staying out. So far, no bouncy bounce. And the funky bunch.
Continues to grind down. If that doesn't bounce on the next 5-minute candle, I'll be shocked. Absolutely shocked. Like 1,000 volts of lightning, shocked. Hey, John. Yeah, things have turned around a bit the last 24, well, the last 18 hours. Yeah, may not bounce. Doing news in 5. Probably stay flat unless something calls to me. It's actually trying to, I think he's trying to come back down, so that was just a slight move up there on, it was like pull back on the move up. Ah. Will you stop doing that? Now what happened? Ah, man, trade of 8, really? Hmm. Thank you. Me and trade of 8 are fighting. There's a bit of a bounce, all one tick. I should have taken that short, maybe. Thank you. Did bounce there, send a trigger, and a nice candle down. I was fighting a trade of 8. It was like trying to make 2 different charts. UV still has not really bounced. Interesting. Hello, Daniel. Good morning, Sheriff. Nice strong candle down there. UV still coming down. UV is going to 0. And we'll wait for the news. Excellent. It's a great job, John. Sounds like you and the algo both recovered. John, if you were looking for me last night on Sharevision, Sharevision wouldn't let me or anyone else log in. I couldn't get anything started. I couldn't get on, so I had to cancel the stream last night. Tonight's is canceled as well because tomorrow I'm doing my overnight stream. Yep, it was 100% Sharevision. I couldn't get logged in. They broke something, and I asked a couple other people to try, and they couldn't get logged in either. So it sucked. Yep, John built his own algo, Burl. Up and pop down, news report. Ooh, market doesn't like the news. Let's see what the news is. Let's ding 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 financial juice. US initial jobless claims actual 232K. The forecast was 247K. So it beat it. Yes, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. Beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. Oh, now the market liked it. Nice wick. Good morning, baby fish. So it ended up being a 20-point candle, basically. What did UltraBond do? UltraBond still really hasn't bounced, but that looks like a bouncy candle. It's a doji so far. Has, well, continue to watch it. Right back down. Yeah, I should have said I didn't recognize that. I was looking too much at the UltraBond. That broke that Bollinger down there. That was beautiful reversal play. This is coming down hard. Absolutely hard. And so did the UltraBond, looks like. Ah! Will you stop doing that, Trade of 8, please? Goodness God. Wow. 25 down. Still falling. Not afraid of falling. Short. Yep. Probably shouldn't have done that. Maybe a rebound here. How late did I get in? 184? I felt 2 points. Let's see. Was into the bands. That was stupid. That candle went band to band. I got overly excited. That was not a trade I should enter. Let's see if it rewards my bad behavior. He's doing Forex NT4, MT4, bro. Yep. There we go. Profit target hit. Boom. $250 trade. I think it actually cut off. Hold on. Yep. It's something like that. Now up on the day. Up $522 on the day. So it did reward my bad behavior. Thank you, John. Wow, and I got lucky. Maybe the trading gods are smiling on me. My target was hit, and it only went one more tick after that before bouncing. Back to UltraBond. So glad this is why I don't like to be a mean reversion trader, because I would have totally botched that trade. Let's see how everything else like the news. Gold moving down. Oil didn't care. UltraBond still heading down. Copper really didn't care. And we're kind of sideways-ish for now. So, 3 disastrous days this week, but yesterday I was able to come back. Now today I'm actually moving in a positive direction. We're still grinding down, so didn't like the news, or it's just, I mean, we were already trending down beforehand, so I had a very nice move up throughout the late, or throughout the early morning here, now pulling back. So I should have ran 2 contracts on this. Let one run. Oh, honestly, it's not much further than where I got out at this point, so maybe not. So we're a little less than an hour from the bell. I think I'm 2 for 3 on the morning. Came in the morning up 300, now up, what is it? What did I say? 500 and 522. Did well on Globex last night. Nice. Dakota, great job. Yeah, it's still going down. See, and here I thought it was gonna reverse. It never did. That's a beautiful trend. Beautiful, like a point and a half. Bounced there on the Q. So the runner really wouldn't have done much there if I had used or tried to use a runner. It only went down 7 more points. And now this nice bounce up. Morning, CBR. How you doing? MightyOxTrading invites you to join me in celebration of our 1-year streaming anniversary. Friday, September 2nd, with our special 9-hour extended live stream. Join me starting at 2 a.m. Eastern Time in preparation for the London session open. We will actively chat and trade through the night and into the morning. Non-farm payrolls will rock the markets at 8:30 a.m. and we will trade it and the aftermath of it. Then roll into the U.S. cash open at 9:30 a.m. Finally, I ask all of you, if you can, join me at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, as I have a very important message I'd like to take the time to share with all of you. So come join me for some or all of this as we celebrate 1 year of streaming and trade the night and morning away. Other programming notes. Monday, of course, is Labor Day. I have not decided yet uh, whether or not I'll stream Monday or not. May get some extra sleep. I don't know. We'll see. And then next Wednesday is FOMC. We'll do a special extended stream for that as well. We will stream from our normal starting time in the morning all the way through the FOMC meeting and its aftermath, the press conference, the dog and pony show, etc. Who said there was Tostep news? And yes, Babyfish makes a good point. We do have news at 10 Eastern that will move the market, so be careful with that. Bouncy here. I kind of want to take this short. Watching. I'll go short there. Tighten stop. And don't think this is going to give me the bounce I expected. Or not bounce, but move down. We'll see. Technically, I try these little bounce plays off the EMA. Not a trigger candle. Oh, I believe some are being announced this weekend. It's what I was last told. But the big one is I have not been given a definite date on. Hey, FK. Yep, I'm going to get stopped out on this, I think. Alright. Big one's supposed to be sometime this month, but no definite date on it yet. It's kind of hanging here around 12,178. My entry was at 12,174. Stop at 12,183. And move down. There we go, maybe. Love to see it get back down to this 160 area. That'd be awesome. Struggling though. Yep, it's gonna. Yeah. Staying in this little range here in this right now. 15 minutes to the top of the hour. Crude desk or energies open. I always say crude desk, but it's all the energies. Yeah. I stopped out. Back down to 349 on the day. Let's look what everything else is doing here while NQ hems and haws. Crude oil heading down into its open. Gold, another big move down there. Wow, pretty big moves there. Treasuries, perhaps finally rebounding. Copper made a nice move down as well. Okay, so now we got a long signal here. I'm late. Taking it. How late am I on that one? No, not that. Yep, trading gods might no longer be smiling on me here. Or maybe they are. Can we get back up to about where the news started? Pulling back again almost to my entry. And back to slightly green on the candle. Watching. Target's at 199, right below 200. Yes, I know everybody knows 199 is right below 200. Pulling back to the EMA. See if this is a quick pullback before going up, or if we're in trouble. New 1 minute candle. Oh, look at those bands tighten. Wow. Taking it off the table for a quick loss. Morning, Zach. Welcome. So, bad trigger candle. Ended up only being a $20 loss there at one point. Now, this is the trigger candle back down, but way these bands are tightening, I don't know. Does have a lot more room to the downside than the upside. Oh, UltraBond finally popped up there by 11 ticks. It's heading up. I knew eventually it was going to. Bullish engulfing there, but I didn't jump in. I was in the NQ trade. So, look at it on the 1 minute. Right there. That would have been the trigger candle. No, we have 3 ticks since the trigger. Now it's up more. Now it's up 7 ticks, 6 ticks since the trigger. So that would have been a nice trade. Oh, we did reverse. So, wow. So I got out of that trade quick, trying to reduce my losses, and actually it would have stopped me out for 10 points. So I did right there. This is another trigger candle back up. Look at it bending the bands. See what it does. It was kind of squeezy there, and it's kind of trying to burst. I expect Ace and RJ will be here shortly. Back. Just watch this action. I'm definitely gonna need to take a good nap tonight, as I already feel tired. Yep, that move up there did not so far go. See it pulling back. So no, I'm up, Dakota's up, Matt's up, Rick's up. How's everyone else doing? John's up. It's trying to send the trigger back down. Do I trust it? That's the question. No. The answer is no. Bounce there on the EMA maybe. Bouncy bounce, bouncy bounce. Wow, look at that nice bounce on gold as well. Oops. NQ is trying to send a trigger. Ten seconds, kind of retreating right beforehand. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Right back up. Or maybe right back down. Excellent CVR. $33 minutes or so until the bell. NQ's not sure what it wants to do. No one likes an indecisive equity. Or indice. Good morning, Ace. You're on the wrong account. Good morning, Frankie. Nice, Dakota. Very nice. Yeah, that would have been 10 ticks now if I had jumped on that trigger. Great job, Dakota. No, I'm just really tired this morning. I don't know why. Not bode well for my overnight stream. $30 until the top of the hour. Top, 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 top. Good luck, Ace. Strong 12-point candle down here as it breaks out of that little 5-minute range it was in. Top of the hour. Taking a short. bouncy here. Bouncy like a bouncy castle. Ah, very bouncy. There we go. There we go. There we go. Taking it off. Maybe got out too early, but I'll take the win. 7 points, about 140 bucks, 135, I think. Up 456 on the day now. Yeah, got out at the right time. Nice job, Ace. There's Ace's 2 points. He can feed his family now today. Thank you. Hey, Crypticon. Sharevision wouldn't let me or anybody else log in. Tried several times throughout the night. Well, I mean, I gave up on it about 8:30 Eastern, but yeah. They had some sort of problem where the login screen was not working. I tried it. CFT tried it. Matt tried it. Nobody could get it to work, so I had to cancel. Awesome, John. Glad to hear it. Thank you, Dakota. You lost your account, Crypticon. I had quickly thought about going over and going over to YouTube and doing a stream there for the evening, but I thought that'll just confuse everybody. Great. Wow. Great job, Crypticon. You had me worried there for a second. So I think I'm 3 for 4 in the morning now. Let me look. But I know I took one dumb trade. Might be 3 out of 5. I can't even remember. Is it bad that I can't even remember how many trades I took in this morning already? The answer is 6? Really? That don't seem right. Yeah, that one. That one. That one. That one. Yeah, I have taken 6 trades. 3 for 3. I'm sorry, 3 for 6. 3 out of 6. Welcome, everyone. I want to thank everyone for joining me this morning. Hope you're having a good day, too. Reminder, if you are enjoying the content here and you do have a finger you can press a button with, I would appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm to show YouTube that you like me, that you really, really like me. Very good advice. Everyone should read. I'll even read it out loud. Babyfish says all NQ traders pay attention to the SMH today. With the new U.S.-China chip restrictions, chips will lead tech today. When I first heard about the chip restrictions, I was worried that they were talking about Doritos. Bounce here on NQ, back up to the EMA almost. Trying to figure out why the people in my neighborhood think this is the 4th of July weekend instead of the Labor Day weekend. Trigger candle there. Snuck up on me. I hate it when triggers sneak up on me. Yeah, I'm gonna miss it. Good luck, Dakota. Oh, let me look. I have a feeling I'm gonna regret missing this trade. Yep, I'm gonna regret missing that trade. You short UV from 16. Oh, nice. I see you've already got about 4. And Q, yeah, popped up 10. So yeah, I missed that. That was a good trigger. Very good trigger. Mark that. This ended up being a good trigger as well. I think 85 up to 91. Yeah, it was a good trigger. Nice. Think we need to have a Dakota versus CFT trading contest. Of course, I'm kidding. Trading contests are stupid because it makes you trade differently than how you would actually trade. But between the two of you, you guys are awesome on UV. So that candle went up 12, 13 points, and now it's pulling back. Oh, Crude desk opened, and I totally forgot about it. Let's see what Crude's doing here. Well, energies. I keep saying Crude, but it's all energies. Ooh, yeah, that's a treasuries thing, right? That's natural gas. Yeah, it's natural gas really isn't doing much. Oh, big range here in the first 10 minutes of Crude. It's quite the range. Ignore what I'm doing. I've just been kind of watching the first 10 minutes of Crude. Some interesting observations. Back to trigger candling on the short side. Trigger candling. I'm not even sure That's a word. Up bounce. You see it never got below that yellow line so far on the moving average on the RSI. Why I did not take that trigger. It saved me a stop, I think, almost. Yep, right back up. Technically, this is also a trigger candle, but it's kind of just trying to range in a new area here, looks like. 17 minutes to the bell. Gold coming back down. And hanging to the side. Thinking we're heading up here, thinking maybe I should have taken that trigger. But we shall see ya. Yep, right back down. Just hanging there. Okay, I read that line from Rick, and I'm thinking he's out of a trade, and then I realized we're talking about someone being incarcerated. But now we wait. Just boring morning here so far. There's a move up there on the QG, whatever E-mini natural gas is. Babyfish, were you here when I took a successful trade on the natural gas E-mini? I can't remember if that was yesterday or the day before. It wasn't huge, but yep, got my feet wet. That's what she said. The mini. Yeah, I don't have the guts for the full size, especially not the. I mean, this was my work after 3 great weeks of trading. The first 3 days of this week were absolutely horrible. So I definitely wasn't going to risk the full size. Talk about slowness all of a sudden as we head into the bell. No oomph in the market right now. We're oomphless. Oomphless. Copper's like dead right now, and we're going sideways on the UltraBond, and natural gas is moving low. Crude popped back up after that big candle down. So we wait. Patience is a virtue. Looking at my phone, and everything I look at on my phone is a Tostep ad now. Actually, I forgot today was gas inventories. Yeah, there's a trigger candle. Don't know if I want to trust it here. It retreats there right before it closes. Let's see. Only moved a point. There's 2 points. Yep. Good they did not take it, at least so far. So far it hasn't done a thing. It might on this candle, though. It may, it might, it might, it may. How are y'all doing out there? Oh, no. Cancel. Bitcoin back below 20,000. Wow. Okay. Good luck on that Crypticon. Still inside its opening 10-minute range. Look at me sound like I know what I'm talking about there. Nice job. Hey, Rod. Yeah, it's been a rough week, but trying to turn it around. I went backwards by about $3,000 over the first, from early Monday morning to late Wednesday morning. Yeah, very bad week. Had me starting to wonder if I should even continue. We are looking short on 5-minute, but we're above the EMA on the 30, the 15, and below in the hour. It was a decent trigger candle there, although it went all the way down and could bounce. Yeah, 5-minute chart's a good chart. It's my secondary. Up, nice move down, so the trigger candle did work. Both of them would have worked, I think. 183 up to the, yeah, that would not have stopped out. So 189, let me start, 183 on that entry, came down to 171, so both of these have been good. Well, this one hasn't been good yet. But at this point, we are 3 minutes until the bell, so flat I am. Flat I am. Oh, stretching. How's Crude treating you today, Black Beauty? NQ selling off into the bell. Getting a bit rate warning, so you might see some swirling here, unfortunately. Up a bounce here on NQ. Bullish engulfing on NQ there. Might head back, continue heading up, but I can't tell what it wants to do right here with a minute to the bell. Send it to its room with a timeout. Ding, 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 ding. Immediate move down here in NQ. And right back up. Up, down, turn around. Everybody look what's going round. Right now it's NQ being all weird. Yeah, there we go. There we got some strength, maybe. ES is up 2 points. Our special. There's a strong move. 14 up. ES up 5. Strong move. Right back down though. RJ, there you are. Ooh, big move back down. 20 points. So far in this 5-minute candle, we haven't moved much. 11 down. There's the move down. Very bouncy here. Should have got in off that last candle. I'm glad I didn't just jump in. Actually, I only didn't even go 10 points yet, so maybe not. It's hitting that third band and bouncing back up. Up, 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 up. Bearish is the direction that I believe we're going, but no confidence just to jump in. Beautiful move down there on the ES. Should have had confidence to jump in. That was beautiful. Continuing on down. A little bit of a bounce here. I'm curious what Nvidia is doing. Nvidia is all over the place after that news from yesterday. Strong move back up to the EMA here for NQ. Possibly triggering. So far, no trigger. 30 seconds on this 1 minute candle. There we go. Now we're triggering. This is a strong candle up. 25 points. Pulling back though now. Right back down. Just got beat down hard. So no trigger on this candle. Profit ace or I did consider taking that long there even though it wasn't a trigger, and I should have. I would have got my 15. It's beaten back down now, so even though it's still technically a trigger candle, when it gets beaten back down like that, it bothers me. But here comes strong back again. Hey, Jay. Whoa! Burst up there and then right back down on that new candle. Burst up by 9 points and then fell right back down within like 1.5 seconds. See how these candles have all topped out in that same area here. 191, 190, 187, 189. 192. You can see here how it struggled. It's been struggling to get above this level multiple times over the last 30 minutes. There, 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 there. Short now on the trigger, taking this. Oh, bounced right back up. 15-point stop. So if it's going to nail me, it's going to nail me. Pretty much take my profit from me. Well, no, not my entire profit, but we'll see. There we go. There's a move down. Up. I should have taken a quick profit there. Yeah. It's all over the place. Yeah, trading guys have stopped smiling on me now, I think. Stopped out. Full 15 point stop there. Well, only 153 profit on the day. And decided to finally break that range and go long. I didn't reverse. I should have reversed. I didn't. Could have got it back. Broke 200. Wow, sudden look at that burst up. So the one I take the short candle thinking, down, up, down. That one ended up being wrong. And now you see this beautiful, beautiful burst up. Natural gas rising up. UltraBond pulled down. Copper with a nice move up. And Q's still just going up now. Crude still within its 10-minute opening range. Agriculture started off up at the open. considering fading this big impulse candle. But that's not my play, so no. It's good I didn't. Oh, maybe I should have. Anyway. It's not easy being green. Great job, Crypticon. Yeah. CL spiked down quickly and came back up into its opening 10-minute range. So I'm jonesing to go long here, but it's not my play. This is the kind of things I get in trouble on. So staying out for now. And we're just watching the action. I hate that. Because I would have taken that trigger candle back up, but that trigger candle down wouldn't have messed with me. And it has come down now. I should have faded it down like I said originally, but neither one are really my plays at this point in time. So now, does it want to come back down? I did totally mess up that going short there. I didn't look down here. We were still above the yellow line. I should have never went short. Stop using such technical terms, Ace. So at least I know why that failed. Yes, there is news at the top of the hour. Big news according to Babyfish. And that news is, I always forget, US ISM Manufacturing PMI. Why are you putting your elbows in the waffles? Yep, this is a strong move down. Yeah, most you're about there is just chemical garbage. You're saying upwards and beyond, Frankie? After yesterday, it's hard to doubt you. Couldn't believe how that came down to where it came down to. It was a great call yesterday, Frankie. Yep, wicks bigger than the body. Back down. There's the up move. Back down. Up, down. Everybody turn around. Short. Kind of going against Frankie here, but I think very quickly we might see a big burst down short. Nope. I'm going to go negative today. Maybe not. Maybe I just gave up on the trade too easily. I don't know. We'll see. Nope. Backwards. Very bouncy. The trigger candles have not been working well here. Maybe. There we go. There we go. Wait, why don't I see it? Oh, that's right. I didn't put a profit target. Ah, screwed this trade up. Used the wrong parameters. Didn't have a profit target on it. See if it comes back down for me so I can get out here. Talk about jumpy. There we go. Taking it there. Ended up with 4 points, $80. I'll take it. Now, sitting up 229 on the day. I don't know. Maybe got out before I should have. We'll see. Sitting right around where I got out. We are 7 minutes till news. And then traffic report. Yeah, I got out too soon. Little bounce though. Maybe not. So maybe I didn't get out too soon. These are the conversations I have in my head that I just happen to verbalize. Watching and waiting. Oh, let's see. Anything else doing anything exciting? Up. Crude broke its opening range to the low side. Gold still kind of grinding down. Copper didn't really go far on that move to the downside. UltraBond with a nice little move up. CNQ's trying to come back up. We're going to probably stay flat until news. Still mad I didn't fade that. We are getting a trigger candle to the upside. And back down. Strong down candle, 13 points. So strong 25-point candle back down. And it's just kind of hanging there. Like I said, we're staying flat until the news, see what the news does. Sitting and waiting, watching, hoping, praying. Back up, strong candle, right back up. And trigger candle back up, but staying out till news. You know, it's interesting is if I go do my back testing where I mark off the triggers, I don't look at whether news hit, with the exception of the big 7:30 news like CPI, FOMC, and non-farm payrolls. But I always stay flat for news, even though this would be a trigger candle right here. I marked it, but actually, yeah, it would have went 10 points. Technically, though, I'm going for 15 here. So maybe I should go back down to 10. I just don't like 10 as a stop loss. Didn't really go far though, so and that technically, I mean, kind of looks like it wants to move back down. We shall see. Yep, there's a move back down. But news in 45 seconds. $30, $30, $30, $30, $30, $30. Here comes the news. Here comes the news. Whipping. Whip it good. US ISM manufacturing PMI actual 52.8. Forecast was 51.9. Construction spending month over month was down 0.4%. Forecast was negative 0.2%. Looks like most of it was positive news. Market can't decide which way it wants to go here. Gold up and down. Excuse me. So now we have, excuse me, natural gas inventories in less than half an hour. UltraBond, nice move down. But the indices are indecisive. Don't you hate indecisive indices? Say that 5 times fast. Indecisive industry. I can't even say it once. Indecisive indices, indecisive indices, indecisive indices, indecisive indices. Not as hard as I thought. Great job, Crypticod. So theoretically, this was a trigger candle. It's come down 8 points, 9 points. Great job, G. Word. So market maybe not like that news. See, we've come down once, twice, 3 times here. Needs to maybe break below 140 as it's nearing that break. As I say it, it breaks 140. Wow, burst down there. Big move to the downside. That was a trigger candle. This, I'm going to make this one blue. If I was going for 10, it would have been great. If I was going for 15, it wouldn't have been. But listen, I should have taken it. NQ, low of this day, 113. We're down to 131, so not far away. And reminder, I mean, that's a low of many days. It's been Since July 26th, since we've been this low. And if we break through that, then we start going to July 19th and all that other stuff. Will we break 12,000 tomorrow? That's a question. Getting a bounce there, though. What's going on, Zach? Someone in the Discord said they're trading wheat today. Have you? Did you get it? Try going into our Trader Pro? And what company are you with? There's a bounce back up after that big move down. It's come up about halfway. Looking for something to trade. Oil, after it broke that below that range, dipped down about 50 ticks. That big move back, right back up on NQ here. Kind of stalled a little bit and then boom. So it regained almost that entire big impulse candle. And we're waiting for an opportunity here. Coming back down now, that glass green candle. This is looking, yeah. I was gonna say it's looking short here, but not sure. Yeah, trigger candle back up. Yep, rejected. We got about 50 minutes or so left to go in the stream. Hopefully looking for a couple, at least one more good trade, maybe a couple. See, it keeps trying to get above that EMA and it keeps dropping. Hanging on the line there. Like dirty, dirty laundry. Yep, I should have taken this short off the bounce there. Could have got a quick 10 to 15 points. Okay, that's fine. That's what I was just going to say. Contact support, whatever. Speak my what? Very sorry to hear that, Zach. Yeah, I mean, could have been. I mean, the thing is, I'm looking on the Discord. No one else is saying anything about a rhythmic issue, so I don't know what's going on. I know if there's a widespread outage, they'll do things, but if it's only like one person reporting a problem, they won't do anything about it. They'll chalk it up to a platform issue instead of an actual data issue. Oh, really? Dirty, dirty. I picked that up from a TV show somewhere, and I don't think I could do like any other phrase besides that in that way. Yeah, as soon as you said rhythmic issues, Zach, I quickly went to the Discord just to look to see whether or not anyone else was reporting a problem. Still grinding down. Continuing to chop down here. I think did we just hit low a day? Did we just hit the low a day? I say, did we just hit the low a day? I think we did, but I'm on a daily chart. 111. Our low of the day was 113. So we did just touch the low of the day. Watching and waiting here. Just looking for another opportunity. Looking for points in all the wrong places. Looking for ticks in too many charts. Go back up here by 11 points. Remember tonight or tomorrow morning, starting at 2 a.m., I'm doing my London session stream, my 9-hour stream, but it's also my 1-year anniversary since I started streaming back on September 2nd of last year. So, fortunately, I was hoping to do a prize or a couple little contests or prizes or something, but I couldn't get that worked out. And obviously I can't afford right now to buy like evaluations or anything for other people, but still try to make it into a little bit of a celebration. And tomorrow at 10:30 Eastern, I'm gonna just, take a little time to reflect back on the past year. So I hope you'll all whoever can be with me for that at 10:30 Eastern. Take a little time to listen to me and my thoughts on the channel and where we've come from and where we're going. NQ's trying to break 12,100 here. It hit 12,100 3/4. Since this trigger candle, it's come down 69 points. Since I was going to play this bounce play, it's come down 39 points. Tomorrow at 10:30, you may even see something most of you have never seen before. Ow. I just got a cramp in my neck. Ouch. I need a massage. We just broke 12,100. Just as my neck broke. So things breaking all around. So if we look at a more macro view here, we see we had that move up here early. It was a slow grind down. It tried one more time to come back up. It failed to get above the Globex high there. And since then, downward. Since the top candle of the open at 12,224, we've dropped 120 points. Just kind of, we did pop back up by about 13. Setting up for the reversal that RJ says. Frankie has been telling us we're going up here shortly. Natural gas inventory is coming up in 10 minutes for those of you who trade natural gas, which I think is all of baby fish. Dow down, Dow down, Dow down. Yep, let's see the Dow. It's down. uh, market goes to zero, and Frankie just keeps saying up and beyond. Nope. After your calls, I mean, you've been right every day this week, Frankie. So that's been very impressive. So I'm not at all like making fun of you or anything. So don't think that. Does kind of look like we might be trying to reverse. Maybe 100 was the bounce area. Remember, folks, to vote in the poll. Just just a funsy poll. Try to do this more often. Make polls about various things. The poll is: will NQ break 12,000 today or tomorrow? What do you think? Break below 12,000, I mean. And there's a trigger candle on the upside. It's an upside candle. That sounded so much better in my head. Oh my god. Taking the long. What's my stop on this? 15 points. We're moving that up some though. How late did I get in? 27? 3 points. Usual. Coming back down. Nope. Don't like this. Don't know. Now I like it. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Boom. Fluctuating. Yep. Darn. Maybe I should have taken profits. It's almost down to my thingy again. My entry. Yep. Just slipped under my entry. I might have missed my opportunity there. Wow. See if it gets some oomph back up. New candle. There we go. There's some oomph back up. There, nice oomph. There we go. Up 9 points. Taking RSI to the top. There we go. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas. Oh baby. Now we're cooking with gas. Trying to trail this. Oh, pulling back. Nope. Set an emergency trailing stop about 8 points behind the price, current price. It still promised me 12 point. Oops, coming down. Try and give it room to breathe. Out. So I ended up giving him back about half of that move, unfortunately. But it still ended up being 14 points, so about $280. We're up $500 on the day now. Should have done. I wish I had done 2 contracts. I would have got out with one and let one sit at break even. We'll see what that would have done. Yeah, does a pull 1 bar pullback possibly. I got out of 44. It's already back up to 55. So I cost myself money by being jumpy. I really did think about just moving the stop to break even and saying, hey, let's see what we get. So definitely a nice win. I hesitated on that trigger candle, and it didn't really cost me too much. It was a 3 point difference. You can see here how I'm still many more purples and blues. Trying to figure out why I used a paler shade of blue there. There we go. Better. Sideways. Are we bull flagging? Bull flagging. Remember, crude, yeah. Natural gas inventories, not crude oil inventories. Natural gas inventories in a few minutes. Ooh, crude. Bounced and popped. Pop, pop. Yep, I cost myself money by getting out for sure. It's now going over 30 points, 40 points. Pulling back again, so definitely not straight up. We're not seeing 7 or 8 green candles in a row here, but a grind up nonetheless. So while that's going up in one direction, let's see what happens to natural gas here with inventories. Well, it just belched down big time. Oh, and Q just belched down too. And we watch. I think I just kicked my fan. Oops. Okay. I was worried that fan noise was being picked up on the mic, but I don't think it is. Natural gas came down and bounced pretty good right back up. Inventories that weren't as exaggerated as normal. Let's see. $61B and expected was $58B. Oh, yeah, now it is being picked up. Oops, let me change that. Nice job, Zach. And the trigger candle back down, but I don't like it. Upward trending moving average on the bull, I mean on the RSI. And we're sitting at like 12,148 here. Got up back up to 12,173 for a high. See if we bounce off the moving average. Yep, coming. It's trying to come back down here. We're watching. It did dip below the moving average on the RSI. But this could just be a quick pullback. So we're watching that. Taking the short. Frankie's probably cringing every time I do that. We will move our stop closer to that EMA. There we go. Yep, coming back up to my entry. Yeah. Back down. Back up. Back down. See if we get another push down here. Yep. Taking it off. $100 loss. It went into profit for me and I didn't take it. Coming right back down. I got too skittish. We'll see what it does. Yep, it's back below my entry. I got too skittish. I gotta stop doing that. I'm never gonna pass Tostep this way. God, take chances. Yeah. I mean, trying to send me a move back up now. About 20 minutes ago in the stream. And it's gotten indecisive. Crude oil, I'm sorry, I keep saying crude, I mean natural gas, trying to come down here on its 10-minute chart. Let's look what a 5-minute chart's doing. 5-minute already sent the trigger. Oh, look at that. I allowed myself to get shaken out by just a little bit of a pullback, and it wasn't even that big of a pullback. And now it just went down. It would have hit. I was in at 35, and it's down 20 points. That's idiotic of my part. So I had the right idea. The trigger candle was good. I just allowed myself to be shaken out by one little stupid pullback. Back below 100. So from my entry, it went down 35, 40 points. So this is not stupidity. This is a 40-point move, and this is a 40-point move. 129 up to 173, so over 40 points, and now more than 40 points down. Frankie, this isn't up and beyond. I just want to point that out so far. Watching this just go without me. Back to 12,100. Yes, did a little house pattern there on the 5-minute. So hanging around 12,100. Where will we go from here? Low now is 12,089. It's kind of flagging. Oh, nope. Just trying to break new lows again. There, it's new lows. Will we get any more entries in the next 15 minutes? Probably not, but we'll see. Just watching. We're watching it continue to come down. Continuing down. Maybe we'll have the answer to our poll even before we end the stream today. Matt LaRocco, how are you doing today? Great job, Matt. Continuing to push down. New low 72, 71. $70. Continuing to bleed out here. The wow. See, look at this hourly candle down 109 points. Very nearing this next very old support from over a month ago. July 19th. That day was the last day we were below 12,000. Still coming down. Oh no. 12.07 has been the low. Until now. Now it's 68. Just going to continue looking like it wants to continue to just drop here. So One Direction, not the band. Maybe leveling out here. Actually, I forgot to adjust the P&L after my last loss. It's actually 391. But yeah, decent day. And yesterday I came all the way back to finish down only $8. So things have turned around some now. How are you doing today, Glitch? It looks like Ace got his elbows out of the waffles. About 10 minutes ago in the stream, not sure we're going to be seeing much else. Remember, there is no stream on Sharevision tonight because I'll be napping. And then tomorrow, 9 hours of me. 2 a.m. to 11 a.m. with me doing a little bit of talking around 10:30 a.m. ish. 2 a.m. Eastern, 1 a.m. Central. RJ. Yeah, 2 a.m. Eastern. It's rude to take people's shorts. They end up naked. So we popped back up. We had a low of 12,064, and so we popped up about 30 points. And bouncing off the EMA here. Thinking about taking this short. 13-point candle down. Don't do it. Okay, Ace. Ace, here's the thing. I need to make $6,000 twice on this Tostep eval that I'm currently up 2,700 on. And I need to do that by the end of September to get a huge bonus. So I got to take some chances. Me and my shadow. Ooh, that came out really horrible. I apologize. So I would have came down about 10 points, popped it right back up. It is indecisive. And, I mean, Ace was right there. I should not have gone short. I mean, like I said, went 10 points, but there was a really quick snapback. And I'm above the yellow line instead of below it. So not a place I really want to go short at this point anyway. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Shadow knows. So, last couple minutes of the stream, let's look at the markets since what they did, what they've done. NQ, I mean, I'm sorry, HQ, HG, whatever it is, copper made a new daily low. Gold really made a new daily low. UltraBond, wow. Look at what UltraBond, this is, I drew this line right as we were coming on the stream today, so 3.5 hours ago. Look at the UltraBond did since then. Came down 3 full points. Crude really has not moved much at all. And you see natural gas, nice move up. Since this trigger candle on the hourly chart, I mean, it would have had a what heck of a pullback there, but it's moved up almost 300 ticks. Do I trade wheat? I look at it. I don't think I've ever actually taken a trade on it, but I've been looking at it more. I have traded corn. That would have a great move down there on wheat. Oh, wow. That really was an awesome move down in wheat. Off the trigger. That would have made my day. Go ahead, make my day. Anyway, well, this short I had been thinking about taking actually has come down 23 points. New low, 59. Sheriff said we're going to 50. Okay. Down to 55. That was a nice bounce. It's kind of what I look for. You know, it doesn't have to touch. It did touch the EMA, kind of inappropriately, in public, all that stuff. But it came up, and then we had, small green candle, engulfing red. So this would have been a great play down 30. It's come down 30 more points, and it just touched 12,050 as Sheriff said earlier. And we'll continue to come down. So I'm ending the day up, ending the stream up $391. Remember, no stream tonight on Sharevision because I will need to take a nap. Then tomorrow we have 2 a.m. Eastern till 11 a.m. Eastern. London session, non-farm payrolls, U.S. cash open, and then me talking a little bit around 10:30 about the channel. If you can't make anything else, make the 10:30 talk. So I think that's where we're going to cut it here for the day. Thanks everyone for joining me today. Hope you have a great rest of your day. And we shall talk to you for 9 long hours starting at 2 a.m. Eastern tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody. Bye. I hope you enjoyed today's live stream. If you did, I'll love if you hit the thumbs up button. Remember, we do stream every morning on YouTube and Twitch from 7:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. and every evening on Sharevision from 7:45 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. and every Friday from 2 to 4 p.m. Also, I'd love to have you follow me on social media. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram at MightyOxTrading, and Reddit at r/oxmarkettrading. Have a great day.